So, you're torn between the DJI Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro? Yeah, I get it. DJI's been crushing it with their latest releases, and choosing the right drone is tougher than ever. But don't worry, that's what I'm here for. Today, we're putting these two awesome drones head-to-head, comparing everything from features to real-world performance to help you figure out which one deserves a spot in your gear bag. Whether you're a pro looking to level up your shots, or just a hobbyist wanting something simple, this comparison's going to clear it all up. Let's get into it. All right, let's kick things off with design and portability, something every drone user cares about, right? If you're someone who values convenience, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is going to be your go-to. At just 249 grams, this thing is feather light. You can toss it in your bag, head out and fly without worrying about complicated regulations in most countries. It's perfect for casual flyers who want to keep things simple and stress-free. Now, the DJI Air 3S, on the other hand, is a bit of a beast in comparison, 724 grams to be exact. That extra weight pushes it into stricter regulatory territory. So, if you're in the US, you'll need to register it with the FAA, and in places like the UK or EU, some certification is likely required. But hey, that weight isn't just for show. With the Air 3S, you're getting a sturdier build and more advanced tech under the hood. That brings us to the cameras. If image quality is a top priority for you, the Air 3S clearly steps up. It's got a dual camera system with a 1-inch sensor wide-angle lens and a medium telephoto lens. Both shoot in 10-bit 4K at 60 FPS, and that larger sensor is a game changer for low-light shots. If you're a pro photographer or videographer, this is the drone that will get you those detailed, vibrant shots even in tricky lighting. But don't count the Mini 4 Pro out just yet. It might only have a single camera, but it still packs a punch. With a 1x1.3-inch sensor, it's more than capable of shooting 4K video at 60 FPS and can even hit 120 FPS for slow motion. It's an ideal pick for those who want to keep things simple without sacrificing video quality. It may not have the dual camera setup, but for users who prioritize ease of use and portability, the Mini 4 Pro holds its own. Safety is a huge deal when flying drones, and luckily both the DJI Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro have some solid features to keep your drone and everything around it safe. Both come with DJI's signature GPS-based return to home and obstacle avoidance systems, but the Air 3S takes it up a notch. It's got LiDAR-powered sensors, giving it superior obstacle detection, especially in low light or tricky terrains. It's like having a sixth sense while flying, making it perfect for pros who need advanced safety to avoid crashes during complex shoots. The Mini 4 Pro isn't slacking though. It's got omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which is impressive for its size. But because it's smaller and lighter, it's not quite as sturdy in high winds or tougher environments. Still, for casual flyers and hobbyists who stick to simpler locations, it's more than enough. When it comes to flight time, both drones hold their own, but the Air 3S edges ahead. You're looking at up to 45 minutes of flight time per charge in ideal conditions, so plenty of time to capture the perfect shot or explore new areas. And if you go for the Fly More combo, you'll get extra batteries for even more airtime. The Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, offers around 34 minutes with the standard battery, but you can extend that to 46 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Just keep in mind, using that bigger battery bumps the weight beyond 250 grams, which means you'll lose that lightweight advantage. Now let's talk price. The DJI Air 3S starts at around $1,099. And if you go for the Fly More combo with the upgraded controller, you're looking at about $1,599. Yeah, it's a bigger investment, but you're getting pro-level features like dual cameras, advanced obstacle avoidance, and longer flight times. The Mini 4 Pro is definitely more budget-friendly, starting at $759 with the RC N2 controller, and going up to $959 for the more advanced package. So, if camera quality and advanced flight features are your top priorities, the Air 3S is worth the extra cost and the paperwork. It's built to handle demanding environments and capture stunning footage every time. But if you want something lightweight, easy to use, and with fewer regulatory hassles, the Mini 4 Pro is your best bet. It's a powerhouse in a small package, perfect for beginners or casual flyers who still want great performance without breaking the bank. Alright, that's a wrap on our comparison between the DJI Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro. Both of these drones bring something special to the table, but it really comes down to what you need: pro-level features with the Air 3S or lightweight simplicity with the Mini 4 Pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, comparisons, and the latest gadget news. And hey, let me know in the comments which drone you're leaning toward. Are you going for the powerhouse Air 3S or the super portable Mini 4 Pro? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.